Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're going to tackle a question that's often on the minds of newcomers to the points. Collecting hobby. What's the best American Express card to start with in 2025? With numerous options offering different welcome bonuses, earning rates and perks, it's easy to become confused about which card will give you the best introduction to the points collecting hobby. As someone who's built multiple successful point strategies, I'm going to walk you through the best starter options in the UK market for 2025. For most beginners, the American Express Preferred Rewards Gold credit card stands out as the clear frontrunner. Here's why it continues to be my top recommendation. The card has no fee for the first year. The £195 annual fee is waived for the first 12 months, giving you time to decide if it suits your needs without financial commitment. The card also offers an enhanced welcome bonus of 30,000 membership rewards points after spending £3,000 in 3 months when applying through a referral. You'll also get 4 complimentary Priority Pass lounge visits per year, giving you access to over 1 to 300 airport lounges worldwide. Additionally, you'll get a £10 delivery credit per month, which is £5 back, twice monthly. The Gold card's greatest strength is flexibility. Those 30,000 membership rewards points can be transferred to numerous airline and hotel loyalty programs, including British Airways Executive Club, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, Marriott Bonvoy, or Hilton Honors. This flexibility allows you to accumulate points while you learn which programs offer the best value for your specific travel needs. Now, you might be wondering if you qualify for the welcome bonus. Amex's current rule is straightforward. You can receive the welcome bonus if you haven't held a personal American Express card within the past 24 months. However, there are some important exceptions. Corporate or business American Express cards don't disqualify you. Being a supplementary card holder on someone else's account doesn't affect your eligibility, and having a store card that happens to be operated by Amex won't disqualify you. If you don't qualify for the bonus, you can still apply and receive all other card benefits, but getting that 30,000 point head start makes a significant difference. Another option to consider is the American Express Platinum card, which offers premium benefits for higher spenders. If you're comfortable with a higher annual fee and can maximize premium travel benefits, the Platinum card is worth considering. The card offers a generous welcome bonus of 70,000 membership rewards points after spending £6,000 in 3 months when applying through a referral. You'll also get comprehensive lounge access, a global dining credit of up to £400 annually, and elite hotel status with Hilton Honors and Marriott Bonvoy. However, the £650 annual fee isn't for everyone. If you're already certain that British Airways Avios will be your primary currency, British Airways offers 2 American Express options, the British Airways American Express card and the British Airways American Express Premium Plus card. The Premium Plus card offers significantly more value for serious Avios collectors, particularly due to the more flexible companion voucher and boosted earning rates. However, for beginners, I typically recommend starting with the Gold card to become familiar with the points ecosystem before committing to the higher annual fee. When choosing your first American Express card, consider your spending habits, travel goals, tolerance for annual fees, and travel frequency. For most beginners, I stand by the American Express Gold as the best starting point. Its first-year fee waiver, generous welcome bonus, and flexible rewards currency make it an ideal introduction to the world of points. If you're a frequent traveller who can maximize the Platinum card's extensive benefits, then the higher annual fee might be justified by the exceptional 70,000 point welcome bonus and premium benefits. Thanks for listening to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and tips on travelling with miles and points, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk. We'll catch you in the next episode.